Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a brand new, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I was watching Jillian too. And don't you give me an idea. So, I am going to be doing a couple weird things that Animal Jam shouldn't have ever done. Because that's just, that's just sad. Okay, so let's just get right onto it. And so there's a couple things right here already that I'm noticing. So, over here, this pig, like, what is that? What is that thing? Like, what's going on over there? This, I, 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 okay. Anyways, guys, so also another thing is this llama over here. So something looks really messed up right here. Like, what looks wrong? I don't know why. Okay, anyways, you guys. So also another thing, I mean, I don't know if it's just me, but when this thing jumps up and down, it looks like it's having a seizure. And also, oh, look, it's like shaking. Looks like it's having a seizure already. And you guys, also this. So it looks like it's like a murderer trying to escape or something like that. Like Animal Jam, fix that. And that's kind of funny, but so I mean, it's just works. And also this. What's going on with this here? This little thing known as a monkey. How is he doing that? Like, it looks like these are his arms, and then these are his legs. But, like, it just looks very messed up. Like, how? I know that those are his arms, and then these two things are his legs. How is it grabbing? Like, it would fall. But it's only grabbing onto its notebooks and stuff like that. And this thing, it's just sort of creepy. It looks like a model. I don't know. Why are you sitting like that? Why are you laying down like that? Like. Anyways, so so you guys, and also you guys, so why is this one outlined in white? It's just weird. And so again, you guys remember, we are going to be doing like a couple weird things with Animal Jam. So far, we have a lot of things going on with Animal Jam, but also another weird thing here. Let me turn into a eagle. Okay, so Another weird thing is that this flag. Here, let me go to an empty server. Alright, empty server here. Alright, I don't know why it's just me. Is it like just me or something? But this flag looks wrong. Like, how? Like, that just looks wrong. Like, what's going on? And also another thing is, when you go to any other world, like okay, so here, let's go to Kimbar Outback and stuff like that. You guys can see how it has a journey book. And to be honest, the only thing that doesn't have a journey book is Jamaa Township. Like, I feel like that should be like done. Okay, but it's just Jamaa. Like, I'm clicking through this and you guys can't see Jamaa anywhere, can you? Right? So yeah, you guys, it's just how it works. Enough. But yeah. And also another thing I find very funny, which is perfect, because I was actually gonna try to find box heads. I can't click their user, but anyways, box heads, they just are funny, so I don't know why. But anyways, what was that? What was that? And also, you guys, this is a super weird glitch going on. Like, what's going on with that flag? That's just cringy. So, I'm gonna go to my friends. So, a super weird glitch is, it used to say Null's Den. Like, Null, when you search up Null, Null's Den. He is a member, but when you go to his Like he's like, is he famous or something? Like I don't even know. Is he like a YouTuber or something? Who is this guy? I don't even know. I haven't even tried to search it up yet. But also another weird thing is, sometimes when non-members or like somebody tries to buddy you and then you decline, so and stuff like that, and then 5 minutes later you want to see what buddy's on Kit Kat's on right now. So pretend right here where Big Sister is, pretend that's a new jammer and you declined the thing to them and stuff like that. And then you're like, wait, I didn't even accept their buddy request. How am I buddies with them? That's a really weird glitch right now. So it's just sort of messed up. Like also guys, I'm just technically going on while I go the pumpkin head. So I'm using Kathlin's, I think. Kathlin's? Yeah, Kathlin's. As an example. But anyways, so it's really weird when you have a spike and a pumpkin hat on. Also, one pumpkin hat top blends in with the grass, so you can't even tell. And like that face, and then this spike, like it just sort of looks really weird. I don't even know, you guys. It's just my opinion. Whoa. But you guys, it's my opinion, I guess. And then next, also guys, so something really weird that I feel like should be fixed is right here. Okay, so this is the arcade and stuff like that. And then why is there just like this random building here? Like that can't be part of the arcade. It's just really weird. Also guys, another thing is why is the roof made out of like hay or something? Like pump wrong. I don't know guys. It's just really wrong and you know it's just sadness. Anyways guys, so also a weird part is, as you guys know, the extravaganza and stuff like that. It it you guys, when it first started, it only came out in Easter. I like, why is it still out? Like it's not even Easter, so why? Why? Oh, look at him! Look at him! He's cute. He's cute. I like him. Whoa! Oh, yay! Okay, sweet. But anyways, guys, it's just really weird because I didn't even get enough time to hit you. But anyways, so that's just what I feel like it's very. Alright, guys. Alright, okay, that meant to be an A right there, but alright, you guys, that is all for today. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never do miss another video like this. And now I'll be getting back to watching. Just okay, anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, I forgot to hit the pause. Goodbye.